the Harrods Hotel. There. Good afternoon. Yes, then thanks God for the days of our life. Yeah, so this is the Harrods Hotel. Again, the date's about March 4. Day is about Friday. Time's about 3:15. And the weather is about cloudy. And the climate is about 28 degrees Celsius. And it's about 2.2 kilometers away from the capital. And then Heart is Pure Care, the Wikipedia for free encyclopedia, helping people's health, that's life, together with the American Heart Association, American Stroke Association, British Heart Foundation. Prevention is better than cure. With Arwen Ergometer, the stressless machine for electronic millennium, with a training program of 1 hour continuous without stopping, with tension and break, 3 times a week, every 5 minutes, the water station, the only manual machine, proven and tested by the patient discharged by hospital with oxygen machine. Without it, cannot breathe but recovered. Tested first before out in the market with prayer. It is people's friendly for children and adults. A portable one. You can do anywhere, mountain, beach, park. You can upgrade and update with casing or not. How you value your loved one, yeah? Life is a one-time gift. Because our program by the government is about 18 months, last 4 months already, I'm gonna help the Cebu government promote the tourism. Much more fun in Cebu, Philippines. We are delighted to serve you with a, come on, say it, smile, smile. Much more fun in Cebu, Philippines. We are delighted to serve you with a smile. Why more than here? Much more fun in here because we have our own airlines, the Cebu Pacific Airlines. The Sinulog Festival, the Mother of All Festival, Bis Lechon, the Ricos Lechon, home of the World Guinness Record, the Cebu Dancing Inmates, Cebu Dance Sport, home of Arwen Ergometer, the stressless machine for electronic millennium. We are healthy. We're here. Special thanks, my partner for life, the YouTube and the Google team. Thanks for spreading the good news, the Yahoo, Microsoft, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Google+, LinkedIn, High5, Tumblr, and Viki.com. Thank you to all the viewers and the subscribers. Hearty Satina po, naka-Arwen Ergometer. So, again, you are here in the Harrods Hotel. And thank you world and good day. Love you.